Hi guys, Charlene with Sweet Pieces by Me. Welcome back to my channel. And we are going to unbox the June Paper Pumpkin Kit. This kit is called A Little Smile. And if you forget, it's on the side of the box here. So June 2019, it's called A Little Smile. And I absolutely love this kit because it's beach theme and I love the beach. So let's do a little unboxing. Normally when you open it, there is tissue paper and it makes for like a nice little present effect. It's very cute. So this would make an excellent gift just as it is for the crafter in your life, or you can make the cards and give it to somebody. And this kit is exactly that. It's one of those kits where you can make the cards and it comes with a little holder to put all your cards in to give them away. So I'll start with the ink spot. You get one of these. Sometimes they give you two in every kit. This one is called Coastal Cabana. When you buy an ink pad from Stampin' Up, this is what it looks like. So this is the actual size ink pad if you purchase it from Stampin' Up, but it does come with a little sample one in the box. And then of course with your first kit, you do get a clear acrylic block. This will hold your stamps. So when you get your stamps, you're going to use it. You peel this off, save this because this piece goes back on when you're done using it. And if you're going to use a stamp, you just take the stamp, adhere it just like that. You just stick it on. It's self-sticking. And then you can stamp your image like this. So very cute set. It has coral, a little sand dollar, a starfish, some other wrinkly looking stuff that kind of looks like coral, maybe for a pretty background. We have sentiments that say thank you, it means so much. Just a little smile. My day is better because of you. You are amazing and you made my day special. So I really love this. I have some friends that I've met in my apartment complex and I'm definitely going to make them a little card for them being so sweet to me. All right. So in this kit, and we've got some nice linen thread, and then we have some embellishments. Sometimes I save these little packages if it's something very delicate. So with this, I will save this. These are cute. Look at this. This is vellum, already pre-cut embellishments. So we have like a coral looking one. And then, ooh, this is pretty. And then, yeah, I guess that's a type of coral. And then there's 4 on this sheet, if you can see that. So you would just punch these out very, very carefully. Or sometimes pull it out like this, just super careful. So there's some of those. Okay. And then let's see if there's another one. There might be a sand dollar looking one. Nope, that's it. So there's a lot of those. Okay, and I'm going to tell you how many cards you can make with this. I'm going to stick this back in this package so it doesn't get messed up. Here's the little box, and this is just adorable. It's a very sturdy plastic case that you could fold once you get your cards made, and you take this and you would wrap it around the little knobbies here like that and tie it up. So then you can give this to a friend if you wanted to, or just make the little note cards to have them handy. So this kit, and every kit of course has instructions. So what I do is I throw away this plastic coating outside part, and then I take the directions and I will review those and see what I need to make the cards. Oh, these are beautiful. So pretty, like beachy looking, so summery. I absolutely love these. I love the palm trees. We're going to get to that. And let me tell you how many it makes. This one makes 16 cards. 16 cards. That is so many cards. here are the 4 designs. So it probably makes 4 of each, and I am just in love with this and how many cards that it makes. You can't beat that for $21, because if you think about, you go to the store, you buy a card, it's $5 or $6, and these are handmade. You can skip the kit at any time, so if you feel like, wow, I've got enough cards here to last me a couple months, you can skip 2 months. And I see why there's so many. These are tiny little cards. So let's fold one. And you can see it fits in the palm of my hand. Very, very adorable. So this would make a seriously cute gift. So here are the different bases. Excuse me. So we got that one. We have this one. Very pretty coastal. Matches the coastal cabana perfectly. Here's a, oh, that's beautiful with the green and the blue. That one. And this one, which is like beachy and water. That's very pretty as well. All right. And then, of course, cute, cute, cute little matching envelopes that are adorable. So we have this one. And we have this one. It looks like they just did 2 designs on that because they'll all match. Okay. And then we'll get to the embellishments. And, of course, a huge sheet of glue dots. So for this kit, you will not need any adhesive because it has the glue dots. If you want to use your adhesive and just add glue dots, you could do that. So I have these little banners. Here are the palm trees. They are die cuts. So you would just pop these out like this. Very simple, very easy to work with, very cute. They look like they were hand stamped. So those are those embellishments. And then, of course, little palm leaves. Those are so, so cute. Little palm leaves. So I have a ton of those. And then more banners. These are just white ones. And then the sparkle. Gotta have some sparkle, right? These look like they possibly, I'm not sure if they're adhesive. I'll have to check. I have to see. I'm not sure. Hard to tell. They're very thick though, so very durable. They're not like a thin. So we got some pretty sand dollars and pretty starfish. And there's a whole bunch of those as well. So there you go. That is my June. That is the June 2019 paper pumpkin kit. And I will go ahead and post the link below, so you'll be able to go to my link if you would like to purchase this kit and start a subscription. Like I said, you can cancel anytime and you can skip months at any time. If you decide you don't like that month's preview and you want to skip, you can do that. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye, guys.